Welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Kolik. I'm from the OnceHub support team, and today we are going to learn how we can reset our OnceHub account password. Here we are assuming that we do not remember the password for our OnceHub account, but we do remember and have access to the email that's updated on our OnceHub account. Without any further ado, let's get started. So we'll open the browser and we'll go to oncehub.com. This is the screen that we'll get. We'll click on sign in. And then here you'll see the option right below password that says forgot your password. We'll click here. It will then ask us to enter the email that's updated on our OnceHub account. We'll enter our email and hit continue. Once we do that, we'll get the reset password instructions in our email. Okay, it should come from mailer@oncehub.com. If you do not see it in your primary inbox, you need to check your spam folder. So here it says reset password, and it says the link will expire in 60 minutes. We'll click on the reset password option. It will bring us to the reset password window. Here we need to enter a new password. Make sure you follow these guidelines. It should be at least 8 characters. It should include a lowercase letter and a number. Once you're done entering the password, we'll click on reset password and sign in. It will take us to the sign in window. Here we'll enter our email and the new password, and we should be able to sign in. That's it. Still, if you face any issues, do reach us. We'll be happy to assist you further. Thank you for watching.